Hi everybody, you are on this origami channel. For the request of my subscribers, I've made this origami star. Hope that this tutorial will be very easy to follow. I used special transparent paper so you can see all creases perfectly. But this paper is quite thick and sometimes it's hard to make folds. So let's start. First we need to find the center of this side. Fold this edge in half and just mark the center. Now we need to find the center of this part. And again, find the center here. Make diagonal creases as shown. Flip the paper over. Bring this corner to the central line and make a crease. Now, cut out along this line. I prefer to use knife. Our hexagon is ready. Now, the most important part. Fold this edge up along the central line. Make sure this part is a little bit smaller than this one. It's really important. And the next steps are quite easy. Take this diagonal crease and bring it to the bottom edge. Pay attention, they must be in one line. Now you can make a fold. Do the same with the next diagonal line. Well, we've done the main difficult folds, and now I'll show you how to finish the star using this shimmer paper. So once more, bring this diagonal to the bottom edge and make a fold. Do the same with another 3 diagonals. Now unfold and continue to make another 3 diagonal folds. And finally, tricky moment. Hope you will understand how to place all flaps. Bring this edge of our star to the center and make a neat crease. Repeat this step with all corners or pointers. Well, it seems to me that this tutorial is clear enough and you will like it. Thank you and see you soon!